Hello you guys, welcome back to the vlog. I thought that I would do a vlog for today's video because I haven't done one and you guys seem to really like the last time I did a little vlog of my day, even though my life really isn't interesting, but you guys seem to like it, so I'll do it again. Today is going to be a super chilled day. I need to pop to Boots, I need to get a few bits. I want to have a little wander as well because it's a bit of a bigger Boots than the one in my local town. I also want to get a Mackie D's because I've been craving one. Oh, hello. I've been craving a Mackie D's for literally the longest time. It's not even funny. So I'm going to go and get a little cheeky Mackie D's. Also, I need to strip my bed. I need to hoover and steam my bedroom floor. I'm going to do my makeup and yeah, it should be a fun time. Eddie, what can I help you with? This is my dog Eddie, everybody. What? It touches my soul, it lifts me up. Young enough to still sell dope, but old enough that I knows better. When they saying it's 42 for that white powder, I knows better. Get it, nigga, I knows better. Put a smile on the devil's face. Who don't wanna sell dope forever and plus they roll into the special break. Fish scale and a two door that I fish tail. Glass, Ferrari leather, and designer shit that I missed down. Yeah, look at the clues, the jeans, the jewels, I'm missing among yeah. From 15 years old, I'm whipping in kids and pop low, but she waiting for me goes. My dinner plate, some silverware. All you niggas, my e-hoes. Kilo like a free throw. Crack house had the peephole. Made it through to the other side. Now nothing big is my ego. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, baby, move that dope, baby, move that dope. Guys, I am just finishing off my makeup now with a little bit of gloss. This is the Dior gloss in the shade Spring Ball. But yeah, that is my finished makeup. So, right now the time is 12:16 p.m. and I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna go grab my car keys and we're gonna head out to Mackie D's and Boots. Mainly Mackie D's though, not gonna lie. Okay guys, so this is my outfit of the day. It's actually all from Primark, which is mad. Love a good Primark outfit. My top just says Karma on it and I got it in like an XL or an XXL, so it'd be really big and oversized. I haven't properly like pulled it out yet, but I wanted it to be kind of loose and comfy. My necklace is obviously my Tiffany one that I always wear. And then my jeans are just these blue, like kind of like, I just love the colour of these jeans. I like, they're very nice and like an authentic-y blue, straight jeans. So they go out at the bottom, they're not like tight fitted, which I love pairing a baggy tee and straight jeans. I'm wearing this like bottle green, let me zoom in for you guys. This like bottle green belt from Primark, which I really like these big two circles to kind of mimic the Gucci style. And obviously I'm going to be taking my Gucci bag with me because I take it everywhere with me. So, I'm now in the car, as you can see, out to Mackie D's, which I'm really excited about because I've been craving this for the longest time. It's not even funny. Popped on my hat, which is from Guess, I believe, and my Primark coat, and my Converse. Hello everybody. So it probably doesn't even look like I've gone anywhere, but I have. So the time is currently 1:54 p.m. I've just got home from being out. I went and got a McDonald's, but I barely vlogged while I was out, which is really stupid. I always forget to. But insert clip here. Here is my McDonald's. I was on the phone to my friend while I filmed this clip, so that's why I'm not talking. But I got a sweet chili crispy chicken wrap and chips and a bottle of water, and it was very enjoyable and it fulfilled my craving, I'm not gonna lie. Then I went to Boots, which unfortunately I don't have a clip for you for that, but I do have a bag of stuff to share with you. Firstly, I picked up 2 Essie nail polishes. If you didn't know, my favourite brand of nail polish is Essie, and I will never use anything other than Essie. So firstly I got a top up of my favourite, which is Fiji, and it's just this really gorgeous, is it going to focus? Really gorgeous, like pastel pink. If I ever wear a pastel pink on my nails, it's probably Essie's Fiji. This is like my 5th bottle of this, I'm not even mad. And then I got this new shade, which has just come out from this new collection. I can't remember what it was called. And it's called Press Pores. I used to love this colour, like a greyish kind of colour by Barry M, but I just really don't like the formula of Barry M nail polishes. And I haven't found a colour similar to it since. So I'm really happy that I found that. It's just like a really nice... I don't know if it's gonna focus. I need to put something dark, like my hand. This is very beauty guru, but... Is it gonna focus? There we go. I like how it's like a purpley, like blue toned grey. I really like that. And that's in the shade Press Pores, and it was on buy one get one half price, so that's why I got 2. I also picked up this mascara. It's the Rimmel Wonderluxe Volume. I used to be obsessed with Rimmel mascaras, but for some reason I just stopped using them, and I just thought the wand looks really up my alley. And I've seen a lot of reviews, good reviews about this, and is it going to focus? And I would quite like to do a review on the blog at some point on this. So that's the bottle. It's really pretty. It'd make really good pictures. Sorry about my Snapchat going off. And that is what it looks like. I just got it in my hand, but that's the wand. I just think it looks really nice. I love wands like that. And oh my god, I'm going to silent my phone, I'm sorry. And then I got another one of the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Yeah, my one is nearly run out and I needed a new one. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to start drying out, but it's my favourite mascara ever, and my battery is flashing. Fuck! I wanted to do like a long vlog clip for you guys. And then finally, I got these for my mum. We discovered these. These are the Essie Treat Love and Colour nail polishes, and they're like strengthening ones, and I got the shade Crunch Time and On the Matte Mauve for her. And then after I went to Boots, I rang my friend all the way home, one of my gals from work, and then I went and got petrol, and my nearest petrol station to my house, because I thought I could have got it when I was out in this other town, but I forgot, so I had to go to the one nearest to my house, which is actually an M&S. So I picked up some more strawberries because I thought, you know what, I've had a McDonald's, I should probably eat something healthy today. So these are my favourite strawberries on some M&S, the best ones. And I filled my car with petrol, so that was good. So yeah, I'm going to head inside now and I'll catch up with you all in a little bit.
Serving a new Maserati, in a brand new Maserati. That's a whole lot of new money. Session and hiding from 12. Moving the swells in them bills. Serving the Royals to Yale. Beating that China like Kuta Kinte. Whipping it, fishing for a kick. Drinking no syrup from rolling them hair. Make myself a boss in the floor. Either way you put it, either I'm good.
Okay, you guys, so update time. The time is currently 2:52 p.m. It's not focusing. 2:52 p.m. We're getting cute. For those of you wondering, my actual bed frame is from Feather and Black, but I did get it in 2013, so I don't know if it's still a thing, but I'm sure you'll be able to find something similar if you're interested, and it's a double. My bed sheets are from Primark, but again, I got them about a year ago. This throw is from Primark, and all these pillows are from Primark as well. And then my big square pillows at the back are from IKEA, and then my little teddy bear. But yeah, my bed is all made now.
Old enough that I knows better. When they saying it's 42 for that white powder, I knows better. Get it, nigga, I knows better. Put a smile on the devil's face. Who don't wanna sell dope forever and plus they roll into the special break. Fish scale and a two door that I fish tail. Fiberglass, Ferrari leather, and designer shit that I misspelled. Yeah, look at the clues, the jeans, the jewels, I'm mixing among.
Okay, you guys, so my floors are all steamed, hoovered, cleaned. Bed is made. Hi. 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 Would you like a bone? Yeah? Come on then, let's go get a bone. Right. Here is the bone jar. Yes. What is in here? Right. Sit. High five. Thank you. Good. High five. Thank you. Can't deal with them, they're too cute. Now they're gonna go and eat their bows. Let me see if I can get some cute clips.
Chopping that work like a riding, serving a new Maserati, in a brand new Maserati. That's a whole lot of new money. Session and hiding from 12, moving the swells and them bills, serving the Royals to Yale. Beating that China like who's a kitten, whipping it, fishing for a kick. Drinking no syrup, I'm rolling them hair. Make myself a boss and I'm blue. Either way you put it, either I'm good. Triple salute, niggas straight out there. Make a soda water splash on scale.
Dishwasher done. Chores done. Woohoo! I am so thirsty right now, so I'm gonna make myself a nice fat glass of squash. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing the video that you're watching right now, and honestly I don't really think I'm gonna do much else tonight other than have a bath and just chill, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys did enjoy, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know down below if you want me to do more vlogs. Be sure to subscribe if you're new and you really liked this video. I post every single Monday. Have an amazing rest of your day, everybody, and I'll catch you all next week. Bye.